So, the tools you'll need to make this blow dart gun include pliers, a pencil or Sharpie, tape, electric tape does work best, scissors, a wired coat hanger, a ruler, a piece of paper, and of course a PVC pipe to shoot your blow darts out of, and also you may sand the ends of it for smoother firing. First, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then, cut across the line that you made. Now, fold the piece of paper you just made in half again, and cut along the line that you made. After that, repeat the process once more for the other piece of paper that you have. Once you are done with that, take your ruler and measure 4.5 inches on the coat hanger wire. Then, take your pliers and cut where you marked in both spots. Repeat this process as many times as you want to make the points for your blow darts. This step is optional, but if you want, you can sand the ends of your blow dart tips to make them sharper. Now, take one of the pieces of paper that you cut and fold it into a cone. Once you've folded it, tape it close. Then, take one of the wire rods that you have and slide it through the cone. Once it's through, tape it to the cone to make sure it won't go anywhere. This is what the dart should look like so far. Obviously then, you repeat this process for the rest of your darts. Once you're done making all your blow darts, insert each one into your PVC pipe and simply draw around the part that is sticking out. Then, on the line that you marked, simply just cut. When you're making them, make sure that when they sit in the PVC pipe that they don't slip or move at all. You want them to sit in there snug as a bug. But why did I say? Yeah, so repeat this process for all of them and adjust them if needed. Now, how about we see the damage this thing can really do? It's peeing. Well, anyways, if you guys liked the video, please consider liking, subscribing, maybe comment. I'll answer questions. And, if you guys enjoyed this, please consider, supporting me. It really does mean a lot to me. I put tons of effort into these videos, from, recording them to editing them, all that stuff. So, it really means a lot to me. Click on one of these two videos. YouTube thinks you'll like them. I think you'll like them, so hey, why not? And yeah, click subscribe right there, and I'll see you soon.